Hello and welcome to the airSlate API. In this video, we'll take a look at how to start using the API. The airSlate API allows you to integrate automated document workflows into your app, website, CRM, or cloud storage. It is designed to share airSlate's core app functions, such as creating document packages, building multi-step role-based workflows, sending documents for signature, and negotiating on them within your organization. To get started with the airSlate API, you'll have to register an airSlate account and create a workspace within it. All the links and guides on how to do that can be found in the video description section below. If you already have an account in airSlate, you're ready to move on to the next step, creating a sandbox. Navigate to airslate.com/developers and click on the Create a Sandbox button. Fill out the form and our sales team will reach out to you with the details you need to enable your personal sandbox account. After requesting a sandbox account, you will receive an email with the access link to the airSlate API. By following the link, you can sign in to the airSlate API dashboard using your credentials for your airSlate account. That's it for now. In the next video tutorial, we will talk about passing authentication to access API calls and take a closer look at the airSlate API dashboard.